What's up, guys? Hi, YouTube. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ebys'Lady, and I'd like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing the 12 small profitable businesses that you can actually start right now and start making money. As 2024 is coming to an end, there will be a lot of business demand, high demand on businesses to kick off. Even some businesses that have been sleeping right now, they are going to be resurrecting. So this is the right time for you to start any business ideas. So make sure that you are watching this video from start to finish. Now let's dive into this video. I have been talking about food business, but I am not going to be talking about any food business right now because we have it and we know that food is one of the small profitable business that you can go into. So right now I'm going to be talking about the first number one thing that you need to start is home improvement business, services, rendering service. This is one of the businesses if you are living, especially in cities, and you're living in places where people are investing more on real estate. People are buying more homes, and people already have homes, they have money, and they want to renovate their homes. You understand? They want to improve their homes. Who is going to do this for them? It is definitely you if you are into this particular business I'm going to be talking about. They want to do renovation, they want to put up their homes in a good shape. And some of them don't know how to do this stuff. They don't have the skills and they need you to do it for them. If you're into interior design, you are into plumbery, you're into carpentry, and you are into landscaping, this business is actually good for anybody that is going to go into it. You can even become a contractor. You don't need to be a carpenter or into interior design or into any of these things. You can contract the jobs and organize your own team so that once you get your job, you call them and they deliver and you get your own commission. This is one of the small profitable business that is trending right now. People are making money doing this business. And the next business that you can go into, number two, is baby supply business. Baby supply business from January to December is a sale. People are giving birth. People are giving birth. Go to hospitals and you will see children. And people want to take care of their kids. People sell pampers. Do you know how many pampers are being sold on daily basis? People are selling baby riders, baby toys, baby clothes, baby items. They are definitely going to make you money. So if you go into this kind of business, definitely you are going to be making money. Number three business that you can start right now is cleaning business. A lot of people don't know how to, clean, and some people don't like cleaning. They have big buildings. You think they are going to clean it by themselves? They need a company that is going to do this particular cleaning for them. And who is going to do it? It's you. If you go into this business, whether you want to clean residentials or you want to do commercial cleaning, people clean churches, hotels, everywhere. And this is one of the profitable small business that can make you money. You want to run this business, you can start it from the comfort of your home. You can even start it as a side hustle. And the chemicals, they are not expensive to start. All you need to do is to organize your team. You can start with 2 people for the first time. And as time goes on, when you start getting more business, you start employing people. This is not hard, it's interest. What interest do I have to start any particular business that I want to go into? There is money there and they'll make more profits if you go into this particular cleaning business. And number four business is fitness training, fitness instructor. A lot of people right now, they want to take good care of their health. They want to lose weight. And who is going to help them? It's you as a fitness instructor. You don't need too much certificates or any formal certificate. You just need some simple certificates or formal certificates to start this fitness instructing thing. And social media is even here to help you. On YouTube, you go live. On TikTok, you go live. On Facebook, you go live. Instagram. Influencers are using this to get their customers. So these are small profitable businesses that people are doing to make good amount of money, and definitely you can start that. What other business are we talking about? Small profitable business that can make you good amount of money. And right now we're going to be talking about delivery services. Delivery service is one of the business that you can go into. There are lots of packages to, to send. And right now we are going into the end of the season. People are definitely going to be sending packages, whether it's food, whether it's from country to another country. any kind of delivery service that you want to go into, logistics business, this is very, very good. And it's a profitable business that anybody can start. So one thing about business I know is interest. If you start a business and hoping that this business is going to make you money instantly, you lie. You're not going to make money instantly. Is that as time goes on, you are going to be growing it. And before you know it, you start making good amounts of money. And another business that you can enjoy and start right now as a small profitable business is what? Pet stores. Pet stores is one of the businesses selling animal supplies. Either dog, chicken feed, any of this business is a very profitable business. I know that things are very, very expensive, but these are things that you are going to make money with. People have dogs, they have cats, they even treat them like human being, and they want their food, they want their accessories. This is one of the good business that you can start today if you love, even if you don't love animals. Definitely this particular small business is going to make you money. And the next business that you can run today right now is to start a digital marketing, agency or business or services. A lot of people need social media presence and they don't know how to go about this. You can open your own digital marketing services and offer them SEO, search engine optimization, copywriting, writing, and also how to, start their own websites, and also how to blog, social media management, virtual assistant, and people will pay you money for this. So this is what you can even start from the comfort of your home. You don't need to go and pay for any store. This is an online job that you can start. And the next business that you can run today is content creation. Content creation is making people money. All you need is to have your niche, the kind of online content that you want to go into. Get your microphone, get your phone. You don't need heavy equipment to start this particular business. Facebook pays money, TikTok pays money, YouTube pays money. So these are the businesses that you can actually run today. Small profitable business that you cannot even imagine. Give yourself like 6 to 1 year, definitely 12 months minimum, these businesses are going to be making you good amount of money. And the next business is going into fashion business sales. Sell fashion products is one of the businesses that is going to be making you money, whether the economy is good, whether the economy is bad. Selling fashion products is one of the businesses that can make you good amounts of money. You can even sell online, you can sell offline. There are many online platforms, marketplaces that you can sell these particular products and make good amount of money. And the next particular small profitable business that you can start today is repairs. People that are in repairs are making money. My phone got broke and I repaired it for almost close to 35,000 naira. You can see that people in repairs are making money. Not everybody that wants your phone, falls down, you want to go and buy a new one. If you have money, fine. But there are so many information on that particular phone. So people want to still hold on to their properties, hold on to their electronics, hold on to their phones. Phone repair, electronics repair is a very good business. And the next one is auto repairs. There's nobody that does not repair car. If you like, let that car be new one. You are definitely going to repair that car one day. So, and people buy motor parts and all of that. So this is a good business you can go into. You can go into selling motor parts, automobile parts, and also repair cars. Any other business, these are small profitable businesses that anybody can run today and make good amounts of money, whether you're a male, whether you're a female, guys. If you enjoy watching my video, please subscribe to my channel, guys. It's your baby girl, Ebys'Lady on the beat. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, and see you next time. If you have not subscribed, make sure that you are subscribing to my channel. Bye bye.